Hi, all, welcome back. So for this one we are making sugar cookies. So we've just made some kind of fancy trees, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've iced them. So yeah, this one's cool to do with kids. You just got to be patient. So for the first part of our sugar cookie mix, we're going to need 1.5 cups of butter. So I'm going to try and get it in.
I need a new one.
Stretch.
Finger butter.
So yeah, 1.5 cups. Get all the air out.
Get all the air out.
So we'll class that as 1. So that's 1 cup, and you'll just need another 1/2 cup, and then I'll be back to you. So next thing we're going to need is 2 cups of sugar. You can use normal sugar or use caster. I'm going to use caster sugar. If I can get it in, I can't get it in. I'm going to have to pour it.
I can put it in. Just be careful.
I may actually run out of sugar. If so, I'll just put some normal
sugar in it.
Normal sugar, yeah. Right.
Level it off, level it off.
That's alright. So that's 1 cup.
1 cup.
Oh, sugar, literally.
I want to eat some.
And that's 2. And we're just going to get this all creamed together all nicely. So pop your lid down.
Mix.
And get it mixing. So next thing we're going to do is crack in our eggs. So we're going to do 4. So we'll get 1.
I can do the Shannon Donald Duck. Wow.
It's just been entertaining me. It's quite nice. 2. Apparently you can do it one-handed. I can't trust myself though to do it one-handed. 3.
How many eggs do we need?
4. So that's the 4 in. So we're just going to get them beaten in. Next thing we're going to add in is our vanilla. So I'm probably going to do about a teaspoon and a half.
I love vanilla.
I love vanilla.
Me.
Vanilla's a nice kind of flavouring to everything. Well, a base flavouring, I should say.
And
let's pop that over there.
What we use for the pumpkins.
For the pumpkins. So we'll just get that slowly mixed in. So I'm just going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we're going to need, how many cups of flour?
2.
More.
3.
More.
4.
More.
4. 5.
5. I'm going to need 5 cups of plain flour, all-purpose flour, depending where you're from. Let's get a knife. So the best way to do is just to stick your measuring instrument in the flour and then just scrape the rest off.
You know the camera can't see that.
Yeah, I know, but they can this end. So literally it's just a case of scraping it.
And just...
Oh.
Oops.
Just getting it level. So you're going to need 5 cups of that.
That's good too.
And get them popped in your mixer. And last but not least, we're going to put in
as pink as out.
about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we can get this mixed together then. So now we've got our cookie dough made. It is a lot thinner. It's a lot thinner than what I thought it was going to be. It's kind of like a thick cake dough. So I hope, I say cake dough, cake batter. So I hope it goes into kind of a dough shape. I'm hoping anyway.
Santa.
Oh dear. So we're just going to... Alright. So we're just going to get it put on our cling film here. And we're just going to get it set
I'm crazy.
on the cling film. And we're going to put it in the fridge. Oh, mixer's gone. For at least an hour. And hopefully it sets up enough for us to roll out. Right, so we're just trying to roll out our cookie dough. So we have noticed it's incredibly sticky. So to be fair, I'd probably put another cup of flour in the actual dough batter just to make it a bit thicker. But as you can see, I've literally saturated the side with flour. So improvements.
Can I show my body?
If you want.
Body?
Yeah, I've got it covered in flour.
Look.
Oh, I'm a lot worse. But yeah, we'll come back to you guys once we've rolled it out and we'll let you know how it goes. So, we have a confession, don't we? Well, we do, but we don't. So, we rolled it out and it was still like cake dough batter, same difference. So, what we've done is we've added about a cup and a half of flour to this little bit. We sectioned it up into 5. We baked a tree in the oven just to test it.
I'm trying to make snowman.
But we put literally another cup and a half of flour in it just to get it to be able to roll out like this. So I would kind of adjust the flour depending on what obviously you guys are using. But please make sure that you have plenty of flour to hand because you're going to need it. I normally am quite honest with you guys and I'm glad I am with this because, as I said, it's going to have plenty of flour in it. So please watch this whole video. As I said, I will keep you updated as to what you need to do. But yeah, just add plenty of flour to it and just do it until it comes to a fairly consistent dough because it's...
And this is how much flour I collected. So
Yeah.
make sure.
So
You
yeah,
have this about this much or more, please.
Yeah, a lot more. So just keep your eyes open, guys, and please just follow what I say in terms of adding the flour bits, and I will come back to you once. Well, we're going to get the shapes cut out, so we're going to do some trees.
Please.
Yeah, just listen, please, and you'll be fine. So I'll come back to you guys in a bit. So this is the batch of cookies that have came out the oven. As you can see, I've done some ones with like green sugar in. So this is called isomalt. I will do a video on this at some point. I just thought I'd try it out and see what it's like before I promote it to you guys. Yeah, it's done quite well, hasn't it, Boo?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to ice them. Just to let you guys know as well. We stuck them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, didn't we?
Yeah.
At about 200. So we'll put a note in previous to this for you guys. So I'm going to ice them. So we're going to come over here. So the stand mix, I've made some thick green icing. So I'll come back to you guys once I've sorted this out. So the last thing we're going to do is coat these bad boys. So I've got myself...
But you have to be very delicate with holes because this is what happens.
Yeah, otherwise they snap. So we're just going to pour it on. I say drizzle it. It's a bit thick.
Thick. I like
It's thick with 3 C's. But yeah, I'm just going to let that run off. Minus getting it on my side. But yeah, if you want to colour this a different colour, then please do. We're going with traditional green because Christmas trees. And then...
You can do them any colour you want, but...
Yeah, of course.
We're doing green because normal.
Yeah, just the traditional kind of
Nom nom.
colour. Any kind of icing that goes in the bottom you can reuse. So we're just going to cover them and we'll come back to you guys once we have done that. So that is our Christmas tree cookies all completed.
Except for this one.
Except for that one, which we're going to do in a minute. Yeah. But yeah, pretty much done, guys. So if you like this video, go like, comment, subscribe, and see all you lovely people in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.